Hello everyone, welcome to another DIY Diva video, and today for Tasty Finds with
Tankman Joe,
we are going to taste something that sounds absolutely positively disgusting.
Imagine saying this sounds disgusting.
I'm sorry, let's start again. We're going to try something new that we saw, and this is called cereal pop.
I'm sure it's going to taste good. I have no clue who these guys in the front are. I've never seen them before in my life. They're probably some cartoon characters from like the 50s or something. I have no idea.
Oh my god!
But it's probably going to be good.
This is Barney.
Barney? Nah! Where's the purple dinosaur?
Barney Rubble.
This guy seems like Bartholomew.
And the goat, Fred.
The goat's LeBron. You don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, these young'uns, these, what do you call them, Gen Z? Anyway, we're going to taste this cereal popcorn featuring Fruity Pebbles. So let's take a look at nutritional facts.
1 1/4 cups per serving size. There's 20 serving sizes in total. Let's read what they have here. At last, America, two of our favorite snacks are joined together in amazing deliciousness. Light fluffy popcorn with a milky drizzle topped with Fruity Pebbles cereal, trademark. Perfect match. We know you will love it. It tastes good to snack again.
And if
Low sodium.
And if you're wondering why it's such a big bag, because this is what? 20 ounces.
Yeah.
It's because this was found in one of the big box stores. So
It was sounding like hotcakes. Everyone and their grandmother were taking them, so we had to get in on the hype.
okay, well let's try
Let's
this.
open it up! As we do on the DIY Diva YouTube channel, we do everything in one take. There's no cuts, there's no nothing. So all we do is one shot like always, right? Boom! It's open.
Ooh, you know what that smells like? Fruity Pebbles.
It smells like Fruity Pebbles. It smells like Fruit Loops. It smells like all those Fruities smelling candies.
Look at that. It's all colorful. Check out all that beautiful dye. You got red, green. Actually, it's here's one kernel. And you can actually see there's Fruity Pebbles on it, and I don't know. But anyway, you ready to try it?
I'm ready.
All right. To your health.
Yes, to my health and not yours.
On a scale of 1 to 4. 1 meaning it's a hard pass. Walk right by it if you see it again in the big box store. 4 meaning pick it up again because this is delicious. Personally, you ready for this, Tank?
Mm-hmm.
Personally, I give this a 1. Popcorn, that's a little bit leaning on the side of a softness that you'll find in stale popcorn. All right, so the freshness of the popcorn is not there, but it might have something to do with the fact that they drizzled like this frosting all over it. So just think of regular popcorn. It's been popped. They threw in some Fruity Pebbles, then drizzled some frosting all over it, and that's what you get. And my taste buds say no. My blood says I don't want these diabetes, so hey. But all in all, that's me, a 1. But you know, I'm of a certain generation that kind of like want to cut back on this kind of stuff. What do you say, Tank?
My opinion on the cereal pop. Surprisingly, you hear what she said. I don't know why she didn't like it. This is actually really good. If you like, let's say, kettle corn, right? You like the salty, you like the sugary. Imagine just having, what are these things called?
Popcorn? Oh, Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah. But yeah, from like the Flintstones or whatever. I have no idea what they are. Imagine having kettle corn with fruity pebble taste to it. That's all it is. It's really good. And you have the little drizzle stuff on there, right? The little syrup sauce thing, right? They put on there, the drizzle on it. It's also really good. It fits with the popcorn, and it just makes the popcorn a whole lot better. Whoever made it, they must get 5-star Michelin.
Michelin chef, really? 5-star Michelin?
5-star Michelin. That's all I could say. It's a masterpiece.
Okay, well, there you have it.
I mean...
Someone, Gen X, Gen Z, if you are, if you like Fruity Pebbles, this might be for you. I mean, I could see this if you're having a party. If you're a teacher and you're having a party with your class, elementary school, and you put this in little goodie bags for the kids or whatever, I mean, they will love it and they'll think it's the most awesome thing that they ever had.
I'd be keeping this for myself. No one's eating it.
But as far as, you know, as an adult snack, unless you have a heck of a sweet tooth. No.
It's not that sweet.
Okay, see, there you go. There's the difference there. So, all right, I give it a 1 and he gives it a
4.
Okay, so that's it. Considering that the total sugar's 12 grams per serving, which is 1 1/4 cup, you know, take it as you see it.
Yep.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button down below. And hit that notification bell so you can see when we churn out a video once a month.
And you could join the Onion Squad if you like and subscribe on the video. Comment down below that you joined the Onion Squad.
Okay, that was a lot there. All right, so anyway, until next time, everyone, and hopefully we won't wait too long.
See ya.